सो गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज है आई गेस 27 तारीख और 27 जुलाई, और मैं जा रहा हूँ सुंदर नर्सरी। अपना थोड़ा सा मौसम ठीक था तो मैं सोचा कुछ रील्स वगैरह बना के आया था, क्योंकि पीछे प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा था तो मैं काफ़ी दिन से बाहर मतलब मैं रील्स बनाने के लिए नहीं आया था। तो अभी फ़िलहाल मैं जा रहा हूँ सुंदर नर्सरी। लेट्स सी मुझे अच्छा कंटेंट मिलता है या नहीं। और भाई मौसम अच्छे होने से कुछ नहीं होता। देखो कितना पसीना आ रहा है मेरे को। भैया रिक्शा चला रहे हैं, मैं इनके बारे में सोच रहा हूँ कैसा लग रहा होगा, इनको कितनी गर्मी लग रही होगी। बट मज़ा आ रहा है। मैं काफ़ी टाइम बाद रिक्शे में बैठा हूँ, बहुत टाइम बाद लिटरली। और सुंदर नर्सरी पहुँचने वाला हूँ, बस उधर सामने सुंदर नर्सरी है, पहुँचने वाला हूँ। लेट्स सी कैसा रहता है आज का। और गाइज मैंने ना किसी को बुलाया भी है शूट के लिए यहाँ पे सुंदर नर्सरी में, तो उनका भी अच्छा सा शूट करेंगे, अच्छी सी रील बनाएंगे। वो इंडियन नहीं है, आई गेस शी इज़ रशियन। बाकी आई हैव टू आस्क। मैंने उनको देख लिया, शायद ग्रीन कलर की साड़ी पहन के आई हैं, तो अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ। हाय, आई केप्ट यू वेटिंग। डिड आई कीप यू वेटिंग?
Because of this guy?
ओके, हाय हाय, प्लेजर मीटिंग यू।
Maria.
Maria, I know. So you are in my vlog also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, when was the last time you came to Sundar Nursery?
2 months back.
2 months back. Okay, and you went home?
I was in many places.
Oh,
I
okay.
was in Bali, in Germany, in Poland, in Belarus.
Okay, in last 2 months?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me briefly about yourself. Not briefly. I mean, take as much time as you
How
want.
much time I have?
You have a lot. You have all the time in the world, so you can tell me about yourself.
Okay.
Exactly
So
how.
I'm half Russian, half Belarusian.
Okay.
And I went to India 2 years back
Okay.
for yoga.
All right.
So I was like making my courses on yoga, on meditation. And somehow I stick to India and I keep coming. I think it's my 12th time or 13th time that I'm
Okay.
here.
I thought you lived in India.
Like 6 months in a year.
Oh, okay. Nice.
My base is in Belarus.
बेलारूस। सो गाइस मैं बता रहा था, तो ये शी इज़ नॉट रशियन, शी इज़
I'm half Russian, half Belarusian.
Belarus.
My father is Russian.
हाउ डू यू से इट? बेलारूस।
Belarus.
बेलारूस।
Yes.
ओके।
It's a lovely, peaceful, beautiful country with a lot of nature. And
Okay.
very kind to
Is it visa free for Indians?
No.
No, we have to apply for visa.
You have to apply, but it's not so hard.
So guys, it's too hot outside. बहुत गर्मी है, धूप है, and I'm sweating like a pig right now. So हमें जल्दी से start करना पड़ेगा. We'll have to find some
Yeah,
shade
some shade.
so that you can sit down and relax, and then we can start taking pictures.
Yeah. I wanted to become an actress.
Oh.
And my dream is to once take part in a Bollywood movie.
Okay.
So maybe I say it more of times in this video. This message will reach the right people and they will call me for the role.
गाइस सुंदर नर्सरी में मेरे पास अप्रूवल है शूट करने के लिए, बट फिर भी हर बार का ये है कि आपके पास परमिशन नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। मेरे पास ईमेल है, सुंदर नर्सरी की ऑफिशियल ईमेल है कि आई एम वेलकम टू शूट इन द पार्क एनी टाइम आई वांट। फिर भी हर बार मुझे परेशान करते हैं, हर बार। सो गाइस फाइनली अप्रूवल मिल गया है। अप्रूवल क्या मिल गया? अप्रूवल मेरे पास पहले से ही था। नखरे करते हैं बस ये बेफालतू के थोड़े थोड़े से। यस, वी हैव अप्रूवल। I have approval. I have a blanket approval from last 2 years. I can come anytime and I can shoot my videos here.
Perfect.
Yeah. So you better now?
No worse because it's getting hotter and hotter.
You don't like winters?
No.
I'm asking the wrong person.
I came
You come
winters.
from winters, yeah?
Yeah. I had
Okay,
enough
guys.
in my life of winters.
Huh?
I had enough of my life of winters.
So you like this weather more?
Yeah.
Okay, but not the humid one. It's fine.
Yeah. Just like for shooting for
But we hate
example.
it. We hate it. We as Indians hate it. This weather. We like winters. But winters are not too harsh in India, no?
Yeah.
Unlike,
In Belarus it's like up to -30.
my goodness.
But
Okay.
it's beautiful though.
Yeah, I know that. So where do we go now?
Let's go to some shade,
Yeah, let's go.
take some pictures.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Tell them how you feel right now. In the camera.
Sweaty. I feel sweaty and very Indian.
Maria, while we are shooting your content here, can you tell me more about India? What do you feel? What's your point of view about everything here? Like, you come here a lot, right?
Yes.
So, so you must like something here
Yes.
that you might want to share with us.
Yeah. So in general, in my country and in Europe, there are a lot of stereotypes about India,
Okay.
which are partly there is something true, but most of it it's actually just the forced content which is going like viral
Yeah.
about girls
Yeah.
and that it's dangerous and that it's
I saw one of your video where you are roaming around in Aero City,
yeah.
and you were telling about, okay, so if you want to find bad places, you will find bad places.
Exactly.
Yeah, if you want
Yeah.
to find good places, you will find a lot of good places
This
also.
is the point.
Yeah.
And in my perception, India is the best if to talk about spirituality, about
Yeah.
yoga,
Yeah.
about Ayurveda.
Mhm.
So I really appreciate it for that. And the message I want to send to people is that they don't have to be afraid that recording.
Yeah. I do it a lot.
They don't have to be afraid of coming here. And as well, there are so many beautiful places to see,
Right.
things to explore, to
Okay.
try. India is very rich on culture. So
What
Yeah.
all have you seen in India so far?
So I've been to Jaipur, Agra, Goa, Rishikesh. I went to Rajasthan. Most of the time I've spent in Rishikesh.
Okay.
It was for my yoga studies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise,
So you learned
Then-
yoga here in India,
yes.
and,
I
and now
was,
you teach also.
yeah, I was into yoga before,
Okay.
and my first, let's say, guru. But he was into he was meditation guru. He was from India,
Okay.
and actually I will see him in a few days. He's coming
Okay.
to Delhi again.
Oh, very nice.
So we met around five years back in Warsaw. I went
Okay.
to his course.
Okay.
And then, yeah, when I decided that I want to move from Poland, I thought that I'll just go and try and see how is it. So I ended up here making my certificates and
Yeah.
spending here in the end of the day a lot of time. Even though first I wanted just to come and see,
Okay.
but now I'm stuck here.
I see that.
It's
I see that you
really
love India a lot.
Yeah.
So I mean, so in future there might be a possibility you settle down here also.
I don't know, honestly.
It's a difficult question to.
Honestly, out of heart, I think 24/7. No, how do you call it? Like the full time, it would be a bit hard for me to stay in India.
Okay.
But depends. Like for example, Goa, maybe why not?
Right.
But I think I would like keep coming here, but have a base somewhere else.
Okay.
I don't know. You would like
That
to
may-
put it in video or not?
No, it's
It's not
fine.
nice
That
to
that
say
makes
maybe.
sense. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Cool.
I like coming, but sometimes I need the change of environment.
Yeah. Right. So you keep moving around. You like moving around a
My
lot.
astrology says that for next 2 years, this is what I should do.
Okay.
And I
So you
feel
believe
like-
in astrology also?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, that's very strange for me. I mean, as an Indian,
Yeah.
to hear from a foreigner. Like they also believe in astrology and in spirituality more than anybody else here in India.
You know, I wouldn't say that I'm blindly following it. If someone told me that my stars are saying this, I'll just do the same. But for me, I really believe in it, and it's a nice, how to say, I can take advice from
Okay.
it. Or for example, I believe that on Fridays I need to wear white and pink. It will give
Okay.
me luck.
Okay.
Or I should wear green stones. So, I do believe in it, and I'm trying to follow when I can.
Maria here requested that she wanted to take a picture with her. So let's do it.
It is very sweet of her too.
Okay.
You? What is your name?
हाथ मिलाओ बेटे. She's scared. चलो बाय बाय कर दो.
बाय कर लो. हम कर लो बाय.
गाइस, एक चीज़ से मेरे को बहुत जेलसी हो रही है.
बाय.
एक चीज़ से मुझे बहुत जेलसी हो रही है. ये मेरे से लंबी है यार. You're taller than me. I feel jealous. I feel jealous of you. I should not actually. She's 5'9". मैं भी 5'9" हूँ. पता नहीं बट मेरे से टॉल लग रही है.
What you say?
I mean, I said that I am also 5'9". She's also 5'9", but I don't know. Somehow she looks taller.
I think you wish to be 5'9".
No, I'm 5'9". I'm sure. I'm more than 5'9". 5'9" and a half.
No.
It's cause I am a little healthy. That's why I don't look tall.
Okay, let's see. I believe you.
So we are done.
Yes.
We are done with the shoot, and now we are moving out. What?
I said this guy knows what he's doing.
Of course, I'm doing it. I've been doing it for the last 14 years.
14 years.
14 years.
Wow.
You were 10 when I started.
Yeah. It was nice meeting you.
Yes, me too. I mean, I've been wanting to meet you since I saw that video that I told you in the beginning. You're ordering and then you're laughing with the waiter, and it was very nice and very innocent.
Thank you.
So भाई सुंदर नर्सरी से निकल चुके हैं भाई। गर्मी से हालत हो गई ख़राब, इतना स्वेटिंग हो रही थी। अभी मैंने थम्स अप मैं पीता नहीं हूँ, बट फिर भी मैंने अभी थम्स अप लेके पिया है। मुझे थोड़ी सी लो ऑफ एनर्जी लग रही थी, तो अभी कैब में जा रहा हूँ मैं दूसरी लोकेशन, और देखते हैं वहाँ से क्या करना है। सो गाइस, शाम वाले शूट पे निकल गया हूँ। बारिश पड़ रही थी इसलिए गाड़ी ले जा रहा हूँ फ़िलहाल, और अभी टाइम हो रहा है करीब 6 बजने वाले हैं। मुझे लाजपत नगर पहुँचना है, तो लेट्स सी मैं टाइम से पहुँच पाऊँगा नहीं पहुँच पाऊँगा, ये देखते हैं। ट्रैफिक लगा हुआ है गाइस, 15-20 मिनट से ट्रैफिक में फंसा हूँ। पता नहीं कब पहुँचूँगा।